Hey everyone, welcome to the altcoin of the day, and it is MCO, Monaco coin. And with Monaco coin you can also buy and sell cryptos, and it's also a kind of debit card, and is now trading around $4.13, $4.30. And with market cap of $65 million, it is traded on the rank number 57. And if we take a look at the price, there we see on the 4-hourly basis a very nice base around $2.50 and $3. Moving to the upside, and it has generated last week a buy signal around 3, now trading around 4, and that means that we missed more or less an upside potential of 33%, but the end is not near. The first target would be $6, so 50% is still on the table as possible, and the market has been moving much higher, trading much higher in the earlier days, with a peak of in 2019, and even in 2017 it has been traded at 24. But these were the good old days. Now it's consolidating around $4, and with a tight stop loss below 3, well, it's tight, it's 25% lower, 20% stop loss level on the 4-hourly base would be 3.60 more or less. So I would like to give it a shot, and on Binance you can also buy this coin at 4.16. It's traded now, and with a very nice risk reward ratio from this point on, I see very much potential. So if you are looking for a very nice buying opportunity, Monaco is a good buying opportunity. I wish you very good luck with crypto trading. Hasta la vista. Ciao.